Welcome to our guide on 25 easy German phrases for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or looking to brush up on your skills, this video is perfect for you. Did you know over 100 million people speak German as their native language? That's a huge number of people you could potentially communicate with. It's the most widely spoken language in the European Union, making it an incredibly useful language to learn, especially if you plan to travel or do business in Europe. And the best part? You don't need to be a linguistic genius to start speaking German. With a little practice and the right phrases, you'll be conversing in no time. In fact, with just a handful of key phrases, you can unlock a world of communication and cultural exchange. Imagine being able to greet someone, ask for directions, or even order food in German. In this video, I'm going to equip you with 25 essential German phrases that will have you feeling confident and ready to navigate basic interactions in no time. These phrases are carefully selected to cover a wide range of everyday situations. Whether you're planning a trip to Germany, Austria, or Switzerland, or simply want to impress your friends with your newfound language skills, these phrases are your secret weapon to jumpstart your German language journey. Picture yourself exploring the beautiful streets of Berlin, Vienna, or Zurich, effortlessly communicating with locals. So ditch the phrase book and forget those intimidating grammar rules for now. We're focusing on practical, everyday language that you can use right away. Let's dive right in and discover the power of these simple, yet incredibly useful German phrases. By the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to mastering the basics of German and feeling more confident in your language abilities. So, get ready to take the first step on your exciting language learning journey. This is the first German word you should know. It's used just like hello in English. Use this phrase to greet people in the morning. It shows you're making an effort with their language. This is your go-to greeting for most of the day. It's polite and versatile. Chapter 4. As the sun sets, switch to this greeting. It's a warm and friendly way to address someone. Chapter 5. This is your final farewell for the day. Use it when you're parting ways for the night. Chapter 6. Ask this question after your initial greeting. It shows you're interested in the other person. Chapter 7. Mir geht's gut, which means I am fine. This is a common response to wie geht's. You can also say danke gut, which translates to thank you good. These phrases are often used in everyday conversations in Germany. They reflect a positive state of mind and are polite ways to respond. Learning these simple phrases can help you connect better with locals and show your appreciation for their language and culture. Chapter 8. Danke, which means thank you. Never underestimate the power of politeness. Danke is essential in any language. Chapter 9. Bitte, which can mean please or you're welcome. Bitte does double duty. Use it for both please and you're welcome. Know you've been a good friend. Chapter 10. Entschuldigung, or excuse me, this is useful for getting someone's attention or apologizing. Remember to use it if you bump into someone. Chapter 11. Ja, which means yes, simple but essential. Ja is your go-to for affirmation. Chapter 12. Nein, meaning no, equally important is nein. Use it to decline something politely. Chapter 13. Vielleicht, meaning maybe. Not sure about something? Vielleicht is here to help. It's a handy way to express uncertainty. Chapter 14. Ich verstehe, meaning I understand. Let people know you're following along with this phrase. It's always good to show comprehension. Chapter 15. Ich verstehe nicht, meaning I don't understand. Don't be afraid to use this phrase if you're lost. It's better to ask for clarification than to pretend. Chapter 16. Sprechen Sie English. Do you speak English? This phrase can be a lifesaver if you're struggling. Don't be shy to ask. Chapter 17. Ich spreche ein bisschen Deutsch. I speak a little German. This phrase is great for managing expectations. It also shows you're making an effort. Chapter 18. Wo ist die Toilette? Where's the bathroom? A crucial phrase for obvious reasons. Remember this one. Chapter 19. Wie viel kostet das? How much does this cost? Use this phrase while shopping or at a restaurant. Knowing the price is always important. Chapter 20. Ich hätte gern. I would like. This phrase is perfect for ordering food or drinks. Follow it up with the item you want. Chapter 21. Können Sie mir helfen? Can you help me? Don't hesitate to ask for help when you need it. Most people are happy to assist. Chapter 22. Ich bin verloren, or I am lost. We've all been there. This phrase will come in handy if you're turned around. Chapter 23. Ich heiße. My name is. Introduce yourself with this phrase. Follow it up with your name. Chapter 24. Ich komme aus. I come from. Tell people where you're from with this phrase. It's a great conversation starter. Chapter 25. Tschüss. Goodbye. End your conversations on a positive note with tschüss. It's a friendly and versatile way to say goodbye. There you have it. 25 simple yet powerful German phrases that can truly make a difference in your daily interactions. Whether you're traveling, working, or just meeting new people, these phrases will help you connect on a deeper level. They can transform your interactions from basic exchanges to meaningful conversations. Imagine the confidence you'll feel when you can express yourself clearly and understand others better, and open up a world of possibilities. Remember, language learning is all about taking those first steps and building momentum. It's not just about memorizing words, but about immersing yourself in the culture and context of the language. These phrases are your foundation, your starting point. They are the building blocks that will help you construct more complex sentences and engage in more detailed conversations. Think of them as your springboard into the exciting world of the German language. Don't stop here. Practice these phrases regularly. Use them in your daily life and watch your skills grow. Use them whenever you can, whether you're ordering food, asking for directions, or just chatting with friends. The more you use them, the more natural they will become. And you'll be amazed at how quickly they become second nature. And hey, while you're at it, why not share this video with a friend who's also eager to learn German? Learning together can be a fun and motivating experience. If you enjoyed this video and found these phrases helpful, give it a thumbs up. Your feedback helps us create more content that you love. And let me know in the comments which phrase is your favorite and how you plan to use it. Sharing your experiences can inspire others and create a supportive learning community. Don't forget to subscribe for more language learning tips and tricks. We have a lot more exciting content coming your way, from grammar tips to cultural insights. Biz ball. See you soon. Keep practicing, stay curious, and enjoy your language learning journey. The world is full of opportunities, and mastering a new language is just the beginning. Happy learning.